Hello and welcome to this exclusive first look official unboxing for the Rhedosaurus from the Beast from 20,000 Fathoms. This 1953 classic was Ray Harryhausen's first solo project and was based on the Ray Bradbury short, The Foghorn, where a dinosaur attacks sailors in a lighthouse. Now, the design of the Rhedosaurus, as it became known, went through many different versions, as you can see from these exclusive sketches from the Ray and Diana Harryhausen Foundation archives. When it was settled on that it would be a large dinosaur creature, a fictitious one called a Rhedosaurus, then Ray Harryhausen set to work, and you can see here what the final sculpt looked like. Right, let's get unboxing. The boxes themselves here from Star Race Toys are something of a wonder to behold, with their wonderful photography and artwork. And of course you can find out a bit of the history of the creature and of Ray Harryhausen himself here on the side. Of course he was a pioneer of special effects that's still relevant today. And we're very excited by this range. Of course we work closely with the teams at Star Race for these sculpts, the colours, the pose and the overall packaging design. Now this is a super vinyl figure that we're looking at today. Now, of course, these figures are brought to you as part of the Harryhausen centenary, which we celebrated last year. But of course, it's ongoing. On the side of the box, there's a preview, something coming soon. Aha, the Kraken from Clash of the Titans from 1981. A personal favourite of mine. I'm very excited to see that coming to life. Now, with all of these Star Race Toys figures, they're incredibly well packed. This is a form of vac form plastic that's pressed together tightly. And the Rhedosaurus comes in two halves. So here we go. These are the two separate parts to it. Now you need to heat the tip of the tail with something like a hairdryer just to soften it up so that it can make the connection. And of course, once the tail is in, it stays in pretty firm. Wow, look at that. I mean, that's identical to the Rhedosaurus that we would have seen in the 1953 classic running amok in Manhattan. Now it's the incredible detail we've come to expect from Star Race Toys, and of course these are hand painted. Every scale, every tooth, every eyeball. Get a real sense of the texture here from tip to tail. Now this deluxe version comes with something rather special. A diorama plate that's made of poly resin. Now can you guess what it might be? Let's have a look. It's tightly packed, of course, in foam, and it came very secure. There's never any issues, touch wood, with any damages. Look at this, it's an incredible car that's been destroyed by the Rhedosaurus, along with a lamppost and a bit of New York sidewalk emblazoned there with the Harryhausen logo. And on the back it says Ray Harryhausen's Rhedosaurus Deluxe version from Star Race. Now I think you'll agree, even in silhouette, that's an iconic image. Everyone remembers that scene from the film, and it's the classic Harryhausen pose. Incredibly detailed. And really a great companion piece for the film. Now let's see how the Rhedosaurus compares to his on-screen twin. Now, for those of you who say it's a black and white film, how could we possibly know what the colours are? We've looked closely at the notes that Ray Harryhausen had in the other creatures from films that were later coloured under Ray's supervision to give us a real sense of the layers and colours that would be available for the Rhedosaurus. But for those purists out there who say, well, hang on, from a black and white film, I'd want a black and white Rhedosaurus. What's the answer? Well, Star Race Toys have thought of that answer, and here it is. It's a monochrome version of the Rhedosaurus black and white. It looks incredible in close-up detail. There's something about black and white, isn't there, that gives it a sense of the 1950s, a sense of creature features from that time, and I think it's really spectacular. It's a beautiful piece, and again, hand-painted to accentuate all of the shadows, the curves and contrasts of this dinosaur brought back to life. Now, this is the deluxe mono version that we're looking at here from Star Race Toys. So the deluxe version will also come with something rather special. Now, for this deluxe version, of course, there's the mono version of the car, the lamppost, and the sidewalk. Perfect. Now, you can mix and match them with your colour and black and white one, as I've done here. And if you're trying to think, which one should I get them both. They bookend each other beautifully here. Classic cinema brought vividly to life through Star Race Toys' The Rhedosaurus from the Beast from 20,000 Fathoms. Well, I hope you enjoy that double helping of Harryhausen creatures from the Beast from 20,000 Fathoms. Now, if you'd like to win some Harryhausen merchandise, remember to tweet, like and subscribe here. You can find out more about the Harryhausen Foundation at rayharryhausen.com, and we'll see you next time.